Hey guys, it's me Hisham. Welcome to HISHAMS ARENA. So, today let me take you guys to the amazing waterfall in Tamilnadu. That is the Kodiveri WaterFalls. It is located in Gobichettipalayam, which is 2-hour drive from Salem and 2-hour drive from Coimbatore. It is a beautiful location to spend a holiday with your family and friends. I went with my cousins and enjoyed the most. Swimming in the water, standing under the falling water, and also trying some fishing. This place guarantees you an extra feature of fish pedicure for free. You can enjoy the spectacular view of the sunset here if you go during the afternoon. So there I am, back floating. And here are all of my cousins, and we all together enjoyed playing. I really loved going under that mini waterfalls which has formed over here. All my cousins played over here, and I also tried out the bigger waterfalls. So now I am back floating again. See, now I'm standing under the huge waterfalls. So I stood under the waterfalls and I had a challenge for myself, and I tried facing my head up towards the waterfall, and when the water fell on my eyes it pained. And look, here's the sunset view. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can visit this place during your holidays with your family and friends. And finally, share this video with your friends and relatives so they all know about this wonderful place. And then like and comment, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. And also hit the notification bell for the next video which I will be uploading soon. Bye!